Milkha Singh has openly said that Dhyan Chand is the most deserving candidate for Bharat Ratna in the field of sports. And backing him are other sports personalities and Olympians who are of the similar opinion. Apart from backing the hockey legend, Flying Sikh also slammed Saina Nehwal for demanding Padma Bhushan.
It's the biggest honor for me, and I'm extremely delighted on receiving Bharat Ratna.
He is the first sportsperson to be bestowed with Bharat Ratna. But now the legendary athlete Milkha Singh is saying that Dhyan Chand deserved to be honoured before Sachin.
मगर मैं ये चाहता था कि सबसे पहले भारत रत्न जो है वो ध्यानचंद को मिलना चाहिए। ध्यानचंद जो है ही वाज मोस्ट डिजर्विंग कैंडिडेट और सचिन तेंदुलकर को दे दिया इन्होंने, अच्छी बात है, रास्ता स्पोर्ट्स वालों के लिए खुल गया, मगर अगर मिलना चाहिए तो सबसे पहले ध्यानचंद।
Since Sachin was awarded, several athletes have voiced their support for Dhyan Chand. And now with Milkha's constant backing, more support is pouring in.
Consecutive governments have failed to recognize the achievements and the contribution of Dhyan Chand. It's unfortunate, but awards today have a political color. It's time we relook at the way, the criteria for giving away awards.
Which is very, very unfair for the other sportsperson. If you want to honor or give awards to Sachin Tendulkar, give him for some other way.
Lashing out at the recent three-way fight for Padma Bhushan award, Milkha slammed Saina Nehwal, saying that the shuttler should not have directly asked for the honour.
मगर उनकी जो एसोसिएशन है वो रिकमेंड करे कि वाकई शी इज डिजर्विंग एंड शी शुड गेट द अवार्ड।
बिल्कुल सर।
मगर अगर आप खुद कहोगे, मैं कहूँगा जी मुझे भारत रत्न मिलना चाहिए, तो ये गलत बात है।
Sachin's award opening the door for other sportsmen too. And although Dhyan Chand could not be the trendsetter, can constant support at least get the India's first sporting hero his deserved honour? Sports Bureau, Times Now.